Hello everyone, welcome to the Geoecologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand and I'm going to bring you a new series that we have planned, that is Geography for UPSC. So UPSC is basically Union Public Service Commission. As we all are aware, it is for civil services examination preparation, and we are going to talk about all the aspects of geography, spatially in a focused approach, in a simplistic manner that is favorable for all the listeners, all the viewers, and people who don't have even the slightest of knowledge of geography, even for those people. So we have planned this lecture series online so that it can give facility to people during this lockdown, so people can prepare for civil services examination, especially for those people who are studying geography during this time period. So let's see what we have to offer. So the Geoecologist is coming up with YouTube lectures, on the channel that we already know. The name of the channel is the Geoecologist, especially for UPSC aspirants with geography optional as a main paper. So remember, this lecture series is going to focus upon geography optional rather than just as a part of general studies. So this is going to be focused largely on the content and the subject matter of geography as an optional paper for the mains examination. So largely our major focus is to convey the knowledge of geography according to the syllabus as prescribed for UPSC examination for the aspirants. So we offer paper 1 and paper 2 both for the mains examination for geography optional. Now let's go ahead and see what is there in paper 1. So paper 1 comprises of principles of physical geography. So it talks about the physical content of the earth and the universe along with it. So we are going to talk about physical geography, in which the first part is going to be geomorphology. It means geomorphologos. So basically we are going to talk about this surface structure, the rock structure of the earth, its formations and various aspects in that. Then climatology, so the climatic aspects, the ocean aspects, biogeography, then environmental geography. So largely these are the 5 major blocks of the physical geography for paper 1 as prescribed by the syllabus for UPSC examination. Then what we have is principles of human geography, the second segment of paper 1. So in that we have perspectives in human geography that we are going to discuss in detail. Then we have economic geography, then we have population and settlement geography, then we have regional geography, and then models, theories and various laws in human geography. So this is the larger picture of the human geography. Alright, we have paper 2. So paper 2 is largely about India. It's talking about geography of India, all the aspects of geography of India. So what are those aspects? We talk about first aspect, that is the map reading. So if you look at previous year's question papers, the 20 marks is described as for reading map, places on map and its attributes, interpretations. So the first major focus is going to be reading map of India, geography of India specific, then physical setting of India, then we have resources in India, then agriculture, then industry, transport, communication, trade. So these are the major building blocks of paper 2. Then others are cultural setting, settlements, regional development and planning, political aspects, and contemporary issues. So we are going to link all the aspects in paper 1 and paper 2 also to the contemporary issues. So contemporary issues, especially for geography of India, becomes one of the most vital subject matter for the optional paper in geography. Alright. What are going to be the highlights of this lecture series? As you're aware, there are many lecture series already available online and offline as well for people who go to coaching institute. So what at Geoecologist we have planned is to highlight certain important things that are missing, or rather that are not clear to people. So our main focus is going to be simplification of the concepts. So we are going to try and simplify each of the concepts that is part of geography optional paper for UPSC in as simple manner as we can for any person, even from non-geography background, who opts geography optional can benefit due to this simplification of the concepts, the simplistic understanding of the concepts. Then learn how to write answers. This is going to be the prime focus of this lecture series, that if there is a particular question, how are we going to frame our answers? What are going to be our key component of the answers? So this is going to be another highlight of this lecture series. Then we'll be analyzing all the previous year's question papers and also looking into what can be the best method to answer those questions. So we'll be looking at almost 10 years of the question papers, and we'll be answering those questions, and we'll be putting up the major part of the solutions and the ways to answer for the previous year's questions as well. Then reading through maps. Now this is going to be very much important. Map reading is a skill. It is necessary that every geography optional student must understand the geography through maps. So this is going to be one of the key aspects on geoecologist, that if you want to learn more reading through maps, this is going to be one of the highlights in this session. Then we are going to conduct online tests at the end of the session. When we are done with the major part of any singular part of the subject, then every aspect will be done through online tests. So you can apply for free online tests and assess yourself, and your answer will be evaluated and comments will be given. So that will be done through the website of the geoecologist. So these are the major highlights, and we also would be looking forward to your questions and also to your suggestions for further addition to our session that we have planned already within this lockdown period. So these are the major highlights. These are the major USPs that are important for this series, which are focused largely on geography as an optional paper specific, right? So please subscribe to our channel, which you are already on to YouTube channel, that is Geoecologist. Also, you can visit our website, that is the geoecologist.com, and you can bookmark that website, because we are going to inform so many other things also on our website. And then we have also Instagram handle, as you can see in the link, the Geoecologist itself. So these are the three aspects where you can connect to us online. So YouTube channel, website and Instagram are the three places where you can connect to us. So please subscribe to our channel and also connect to us on Insta and connect to us on our website. And please press the bell icon for the updates. Soon we are going to start with the geography optional paper right from the inception, right from the beginning of the syllabus, by the simplification and all those highlights which you have seen in these sessions that are coming up. So please stay safe, keep learning, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.